Step 1. First, you need to unplug your TV from the power socket. Hold the power cable and pull it out completely. Step 2. After unplugging the TV, you now need to wait for at least 30 seconds. This step is very important so that the TV's internal memory resets completely. Okay, after the 30 seconds are complete, step 3. Now you need to find the buttons on the TV's body. You need to press and hold the volume down button and the power button together. Keep in mind, the buttons must be held down. And now in the 4th step, we are going to do something different. Step 4. While holding both these buttons, plug the TV's power plug back into the socket. Step 5. Keep holding the buttons until you see the Philips logo on the screen. Absolutely right. As soon as the logo appears, step 6. The moment the logo appears, release both buttons. Doing this will make your TV automatically go into factory reset mode. Step 7. How to handle the on-screen menu. Now a settings or setup menu will appear on your screen. Note: since you do not have a remote, you will use the volume plus or minus buttons and the power button on the TV's body. With the volume up-down buttons, you can go up and down through the menu options. The power button will usually work as the OK or select button. To select any option, go to it and press the power button. Now you will see an option in the menu like Factory Reset, Reset, or Erase All. Select it and press OK. Then a confirmation menu will come. In this, select Yes or OK. After this, the TV will automatically start resetting, and within a few minutes it will turn off and on and be ready with new like settings.